Welcome back to the Televaniki YouTube channel. This morning I'm heading off into the city to attend the Motorcycle Awareness Month first stage of that. Then I'm going to Harley Heaven and going on a welcome ride. Brendan will be there. He just joined the club. I'm trying out the Bluetooth connection for the audio now. Bluetooth from the helmet, using the mic in the helmet. I've got two cameras hooked up to this Bluetooth system through mesh adapters into the cameras. Because I'm having so much trouble with this 9, I've got a 5 set up. I'm going to try the 5 for the main camera today. Just this 9 doing this image of me. That's at 80k an hour. I don't know how the wind noise will be. This is an open face helmet and microphone's up to the peak. So I don't know how much wind noise it will cut out. I will be using the full face helmet in the future, but I want to use this helmet during the summer. So I'm trying it out today. This camera's giving me grief already. Well, I'm setting up the other one. At least I won't lose footage. I'm going to the petrol station in a minute. We'll see how I get discriminated against. I'm going to leave my helmet and mask on. See if they won't turn the Bowsers on or whether they refuse to serve me in the shop. Yeah, during COVID we all had to wear face masks. There's so many people who wear masks, doesn't matter. Oh, they actually turned the Bowser on for me. See what reception I get in the shop like that. For the architect of the city. Here we are, turned off Power Street. It's down to Queen Street. Just to the casino somewhere, where we go meet up. I don't know if I'm going on a ride anywhere today. I've just had a check light come up. I'm quick with it here, around the Harley Heaven, get them to check what the code is.
Taking care of yourself or what?
Always.
Yeah, always. Go on.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, yeah.
bit rough here. Can't even see the cyclists pushing them off the road.
better. I need it more than ever. They don't